if you're a friend of mine, the chances are you've had a song written about you. But there was one friend, and I don't know why, but I never got round to doing a little song about her. She's worked for the NHS for many, many years. She's looked after many, many sick children during that time. And Linda, hope you don't mind me mentioning your name, but I hope you enjoy this song. The date today is the 1st of April. We're in the middle of the corona epidemic at the moment. Everybody's hunkering down, and I'd like to just say to everybody who happens to see this video, just stay safe, and I hope you enjoy the song. Linda and her husband Geraint, they love a mountain which isn't too far away from where they live, which is called Penycloddiau, and I've centred the song around Penycloddiau. Penycloddiau is in the Penycloddiau range. I think they do the hill walking maybe for two reasons. The main one, sort of fitness, I think, but also the countryside is brilliant for your mental health, and I don't really want to push that too much, but if you look into the sky and see buzzards, it just makes you feel good. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the song, Linda. Here we go. Find a shady glade where sheepdogs learn their trade. Buzzards float above us. The sun breaks through, dries the dew. I will never, 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 never forget Penycloddiau in the rain. He thought he saw an angel. Penycloddiau in the mist. He stole his first kiss. Linda, do you like the countryside? Yep. Do you ramble? Yep. Walking boots? Yeah. Compass? Yeah. Rucksack? Yeah. First aid kit? Yeah. Waterproof pants to keep the rain out? Yes. Penycloddiau in the rain. He thought he saw an angel. Penycloddiau in the mist. He stole his first kiss. Linda, do you mind getting caught in the rain? No. Battered by the wind? No. Smoke? No. Drink? No. Stony Brook? No. Does your ex-boyfriend spend his life in the gym? No. Do you stick your little finger out when you drink your Pims? No. Penycloddiau in the rain. He thought he saw an angel. Penycloddiau in the mist. He stole his first kiss. Geraint, can you fix my bike? No. Let the grass grow? No. Plumbing? No. Tiling? No. Plant seeds in the garden? No. Check my tyre pressures when they're low? No. But I've got some savings in the bank. Ooh. He's got some savings, got some savings, got some savings in the bank. In the bank, he's got some savings in the bank. Find a shady glade where sheepdogs learn their trade. Buzzards float above us. The sun breaks through, dries the dew. I will never, 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 never forget Penycloddiau in the rain. He thought he saw an angel. Penycloddiau in the mist. He stole his first kiss. We're talking Penycloddiau in the rain. He thought he saw an angel. Penycloddiau in the mist. He stole kid. He stole his first kiss. He stole his first kiss. He stole his first kiss. Hope you enjoyed that one.